Hi children, good morning everybody. Today our topic is functions. Okay, today I will discuss about the topic is functions and April 2025 paper and its solutions. Okay, PYQs and its solutions. Okay, what is the first question? First question is, let f be a function such that f of x plus 3 into f of 24 by x equal to 4x, x not equal to 0. Then f of 3 plus f of 8 is equals to what? Okay, what is this question? This is question equal to functional equations. What is the given function? Given function is f of x plus 3 into f of 24 by x equal to what? Equal to 4x. What is the what do you want here? F of 3 plus f of 8. What is the value of f of 3 plus f of 8? Here you have right, put x is equal to 3. That implies you have right here x is equal to 3 right here. f of 3 plus 3 into f of 3 into f of 24 by 3 in x plus is equal to 3. Here 3 into 4 into 3 here right here f of 3 plus 3 into f of 8 equal to 4 3 are 12. This is 1. Okay, next you have right, this is f is at x is equal to 8 right here. Put x is equal to 8. That implies here x is equal to 8 means f of 8 plus 3 into 24 f of 3 into 24 by 8 equal to 4 into 8 equal to f of 8 plus 3 into f of 8 3 times f of 3 equal to 4 8 are 32. This is equation 2. Okay, both are add means plus 1 plus 2, equation 1 plus 2. The equation 1 plus 2 means f of 8. This is the second equation. This is the first equation. F of 3 plus 3 into f of 8 equal to 12. Next second equation equal to f of 8. Here write f of 8. Next here write 3 into f of 3 equal to 32. Okay, both are add means 4 into f of 3 plus here also 4 into f of 8 equal to that. This is the total 44. What is the 4 is the common? F of 3 plus f of 8 equal to 44. f of 3 plus f of 8 equal to what? 44 by 4 ones 4 11s cancel equal to f of 3 plus f of 8 equal to 11 is our answer. What is the answer? Answer equal to 11 is our answer. Option 1 is correct. Okay, question number 2. The domain of a function f of x is equal to 1 by root of 10 plus 3x minus x square plus 1 by root of x plus mod x is a comma b, open interval a comma b, then 1 plus a whole square plus b square equals to what? Okay, first option is equal to 25, second option is equal to 30, third option is equal to 26, fourth option is equal to 29. What is the here given function equal to this one? This is the given function. Oh, this is the root value, this is the downside also is there here. Means here write 10 plus 3x minus x square. This is the greater than 0. This is r equal to not r equal to. Okay, this is the greater than 0. R equal means 1 by 0 equal to infinity. Okay, right, this is the greater than 0. Means here right, multiplied with minus means x square minus 3x minus 10 this is less than 0. What are the factors here? Factors, find the factors. 1 into 10 equal to minus 10. This is the minus 3. Here write 5 into 2. Next minus 5 plus 2. Here also minus plus 2. Okay, right here x square minus 5x plus 2x minus 10 less than 0. What is the common here? X is the common, x minus 5 plus 2 is the x is the common. Here also 2 is the common. Here also x minus 5 less than 0. Here x minus 5 is the common. Here x plus 2 less than 0, less than 0. Less than 0 means this is the lies between interval, means this is the 5, this is minus 2. Minus 2 open interval, this is the 5 is the closed open interval. Okay, x belongs to this one. Okay, next another one equal to this is also downside only, x plus mod x greater than 0. Here also second case, x plus mod x greater than 0. X plus mod x greater than 0. Here mod x is equal to greater than value. Here x greater than 0. This is the one, case 1. Okay, x is greater than 0 means this is the x plus x greater than 0. This is the 2x greater than 0. Here also x greater than 0. X greater than 0 means 0 to infinity open interval. This is the x belongs to. X is negative value means x minus x. This is the greater than 0 means x minus x is equal to 0. 0 greater than 0. This is not possible. This is not possible. This is not possible. Okay. Okay, here x belongs to 0 to infinity plus infinity. Here also x belongs to minus 2 to 5. Minus 2 to 5. What is the final answer? What is the final answer? Here, this is take the number line. Okay, this is the take the number line. This is the minus 2. The minus 2. This is the 5. Next 0. This is what is this? 0 to infinity. Here 0. Here 0. 0 to plus infinity. This is the plus infinity. 0 to plus infinity. Next 5 and these are minus 2 to 5. This is the minus 2 to 5. This is the open interval and open interval. Okay, this is the 0 also open interval. This is also open interval. Okay, here this is the two parts are there here, 0 to 5. 0 to 5 is the two parts. This is the 0 to 5 open interval. This is the x belongs to. Okay, this is the domain. Means what is asking the question? What is the a comma b? This is a comma b. What is the a value here? A is equal to 0. What is the b value? B is equal to 5. Asking the question is equal to 1 plus a whole square plus b square. 1 plus a whole square plus b square value. What is the value of this one? Here 1 plus a is equal to 0 means this is the 1 square. B is equal to 5 means 5 square. 5 whole square equal to 1 square is equal to 1. 5 square equal to 25. Equal to answer is equal to 26. Our answer is equal to 26. Option 3 is correct. Option 3 is correct. Okay, copy this one. Okay, this is question number 3. If the domain of the function is equal to log base 7 1 minus log base 4 x square minus 9x plus 18 is alpha comma beta open interval union gamma comma delta, then the alpha plus beta plus gamma is equals to what? Okay, here option 1 is equal to 8, option 2 is equal to 17, option 3 is equal to 16, option 4 is equal to 15. Okay, first you have to take this one equal logarithm of logarithm value of log a base b means log a greater than 0 formula. Log a greater than 0 means here 1 minus log 4 into x square minus 9x plus 18 greater than 0. Okay, this is take this side means 1 minus 1 greater than, this is a 1 greater than. Okay, take this side means log base 4 into x square minus 9x plus 8 greater than. Okay, 4 take this side means 4 power 1 means 4 greater than x square minus 9x plus 18. Okay, this is also 4 take this side means here 0 greater than x square minus 9x plus 18 minus 4. 18 minus 4 means this is a 14. Okay, this is the 0 less than value means here write x square minus 9x plus 14. Okay, this is the below value means this is the less than value. Okay, 0 to less than value this one. Okay, simplify this one. Here 14 into this is 9. Okay, 7 into 2 minus 7 minus 2 x square minus 7x minus 2x plus 14 less than 0. What is the x? X is the common here, x minus 7 minus 2 is the common here, also x minus 7 less than 0. Here x minus 7 into x minus 2 less than 0. Okay, what is the x value? 2 comma 7. This is the 2 open interval 2 comma 7. This is the x belongs to this one. Okay, next this is the domain. Next another one equal to, this is the internal part of, this is also greater than 0. This is also greater than 0. X square minus 9x plus 18 greater than 0. Okay, this is the 1. Next this is the 2. 2 means here x square minus 9x plus 18. This is also greater than 0. This is also logarithm part of log a base b. Log a is greater than 0. Log a is greater than 0. This is also simplify this one. 18. Next this is 9. 18 and 9. Okay, 6 into 3 right here. 6 into 3. Next minus 6 minus 3. Okay, here x square minus 6x minus 3x plus 18 greater than 0. Greater than 0. Okay, x is the common here, x minus 6 minus 3 is the common here, also x minus 6 greater than 0. Here x minus 6 into x minus 3 greater than 0. X minus 3 greater than 0. Okay, this is the greater than means this is the 3, this is 6. Okay, 3 to minus infinity open interval union 6 to plus infinity open interval. This is the x belongs to value. Okay, what is the value of this one? Alpha, beta, union, beta, gamma, delta. Okay, write the number line here. Write the number line. This is the 2 comma 7. These are the 3 to minus infinity. This is 6 to plus infinity. Okay, write this one here. This is the number line, right? Number line. Okay, this is light between 2. This is 2. This is 7. This is 7. This is 3, 6. Okay. Okay, right here. How many values are there here? 3, 6, 2, 7. Okay, 4 values. 4 values. Here write this one 4 values. Means 2, 3, 6, 7. This is the 2, 3, 6, 7. 6, 7. Okay, 2 to 3. 2 to 7. 2 to 7. This is the 2 to 7. These are lies between. These are lies between. These are open. Okay, open interval. Next another one equal to 3 to minus infinity. Here 3 to minus infinity. This is the minus infinity. 3 to minus infinity. Next 6 to plus infinity. This is the 6 to plus infinity. Plus infinity. Okay, here what is the common part? This is the common part and this is also common part. Common part. Next here common part equal 2 to 3. 2 to 3 open interval. 2 comma 3 union. This is the 6 comma 7. This is the x belongs to. Okay, what is this one? Alpha is equal to what? Alpha is equal to 2 and beta is equal to 3 and gamma is equal to 6 and delta is equal to 7. Delta is equal to 7. What is asking the question here? Alpha is equal to what? 2. Alpha is equal to 2. Beta is equal to what? Beta is equal to 3. Next gamma is equal to 6. Next delta is equal to 7. Delta is equal to 7. 2 plus 3 5 16 18. Total 18. Answer is equal to 18. Okay, which option is the correct? First option is the correct. First option is the correct. Okay, copy this one. Okay, this is the question number 4. If the domain of the function f of x is equal to log 2x minus 2 by 5 plus 4x base e plus sin inverse of 4 plus 3x by 2 minus x is closed interval alpha comma beta, then alpha square plus 4 beta is equals to, first option is equal to 4, second option is equal to 7, third option is equal to 3 and fourth option is equal to 5. Okay, right here. First, what is the logarithm value? Log a base b means log a greater than 0. This is the a part. Log a greater than 0 means 2x minus 2 by 5 plus 4x. This is the greater than 0. Greater than 0. This is right as what is the x value here? This is the greater than 0 means x is equal to what here? X is equal to take the side x is equal to 1 comma. This is x is equal to minus 5 by 4. Minus 5 by 4. This is the negative value means here right minus 5 by 4. This is the greater than means minus 5 by 4 to minus infinity open interval. This is also open interval union 1 to plus infinity. 1 to plus infinity. Okay, this is the first function. Next second function is second function. What is the second function here? This is the second function is sin inverse of 4 plus 3x by 2 minus x. Means this is the x part equal lies between minus 1 less than or equal to 4 plus 3x. 4 plus 3x by 2 minus x less than or equal to 1. This is the range of function. Okay, range of function. Okay, here simplify this one. These are two parts. Minus 1 less than or equal to 4 plus 3x by 2 minus x. 2 minus x. This is one part. Next another one equal to 4 plus 3x. 4 plus 3x by 2 minus x less than or equal to 1. less than or equal to 1. Take this one first. Next another one. Take another one. Okay, total combination. What is the common part of the function? That is the domain is alpha, closed interval alpha comma beta. Okay, take this one equal to, okay, 0 less than or equal to 1. Take that side, means 1 plus 4 plus 3x by 2 minus x. Okay, 0 less than or equal to, this is the 2 minus x plus 4 plus 3x by 2 minus x. Okay, 0 less than or equal to, here write 2 plus means 6. This is also subtraction, plus 2x by 2 minus x. This is right comfortable means here 2x plus 6 by 2 minus x. This is the highest value, means greater than or equal to 0. This is a 0 big value. 0 to big value means 0 to big value. Okay, right here. Next this is here minus common, here minus common means 2x plus 6. Here minus common means here x minus 2, means this is the less than or equal to 0. What is the x value here? X is equal to, what is the x value? X is equal to minus 6 by 2 means minus 3. X is equal to 2. This is the lies between minus 3 comma 2. Closed interval minus 3 comma 2. This is the closed interval x belongs to. Okay, understand. Next another one. This is the another one equal to 4 plus 3x by 2 minus x. 4 plus 3x by 2 minus x. Less than or equal to 1. This is the one. Take this side, means 4 plus 3x by 2 minus x minus 1 less than or equal to 0. Okay, 4 plus 3x minus 2 plus x by 2 minus x less than or equal to 0. Okay, x, okay, means this is a 4x plus 2 minus x less than or equal to 0. Here x part negative means minus is the common. Means 4x plus 2 by here x minus 2. This is the greater than or equal to 0. What is the x value here? X is equal to minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. What is the x value here? X is equal to 2. Okay, this is greater than means does not lies between. Means here minus 1 by 2 to minus infinity, minus 1 by 2 closed interval. This is the open interval union. This is also closed interval. 2 is the closed interval 2. Next open interval 2 minus plus infinity. Okay, this is x belongs to this one. What is the common part of three cases? Okay, what is the first case? This is the first case. Okay, what is the second one? This is the second one. What is the third one? This is the third one. Okay, write the number line. Here write the number line. This is the number line. Okay, this is the number line. Here write 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 3. Okay, minus 1 by 2 minus 3. This is the minus 3. This is the minus 1 by 2. This is 2. Minus 5 by 4 also is there. Minus 5 by 4 means 1 point something. Okay, 1 point something. 1 by 2 means half. This is minus 5 by 4 also right here. Minus 5 by 4. This is minus 1 by 2. Okay, 2 minus 1 by 2 and 2 and 3 to 2 and minus 3 also is there here. Minus 3 and 2. This is the 2. Okay, all are came here. Minus 5 by 4 1. Okay, 2 means here 1 and 2. Here 1, this is 2. Okay, minus 5 by 4 to minus infinity. Okay, this is the minus 5 by 2 to minus infinity. Next 1 to infinity. This is the 1 to positive infinity. Means this is open circle. The 5 by 4 also, this is also open circle. Okay, right near. Next 2 to infinity. This is also 2 to infinity. Next another one equal to minus 1 by 2 to minus infinity. Minus 1 by 2 to minus infinity. Okay, next 2 to infinity. Minus 3 to 2. This is the minus 3 to 2. Means what are the common part here? These are three parts are there here, three values. Next here parts. Minus 3 to here right here minus 3 comma minus 5 by 4. minus 3 comma minus 5 by 4. Minus 3 is closed interval. This is the closed interval. Next minus 5 by 4 equal to open interval. This is the open interval. Here write alpha is alpha comma beta. This is the closed interval. This is the open interval. What is the asking the question? Alpha square plus 4 beta. Alpha square plus 4 beta. Here write alpha square plus 4 beta value. Alpha square plus 4 beta equal to what? Alpha square plus 4 beta. Alpha square is equal to minus 3 whole square plus 4 into beta is equal to minus 4 by 5 by 4. Okay, 4 get cancelled. 3 square is equal to 9 minus 5 equal to 4 is our answer. Option 1 is correct. 4 is our answer. Option 1 is correct. Okay students, okay, copy this one. This is Somrat Diamond Institute of Maths. Okay, go to my channel and check my channel and subscribe and share your friends also my channel. Okay, follow my channel. Each and every problem you have practice and you have a good result in JEE mains and advanced examinations. Okay, thank you for your watching. Thank you.